Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a website for your Australian restaurants. Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed. So go ahead and click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how well it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So usually I'd head to the top and search for my market, but I can see it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's go ahead and tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. And it doesn't quite matter where in the world your restaurant is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's leave the type of business as restaurants and go ahead and click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got your own images of all the amazing meals you're serving up. You want to display them on your website. You can do that. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. To use the Mighty Sites platform, it's super simple. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web developer or possess any web development skills. Anybody can do this. You don't need to hire anyone to help you. So let's get cracking. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top and go ahead and put in my company email address so it is visible on my website. I want to make sure the box underneath that email address is ticked so it can display my email address on my website. Awesome. Let's go ahead and pop my phone number in, and that is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my physical location, my street address for my business. The great thing about that location, when your website is live and your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head on over to updating our social links. Over here, you can pop in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Now I'm going to go ahead and update my logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Logo has just been uploaded. If you want to crop it, add filters, decorate it, add frames, go ahead and click on the little pencil over the logo. I'm going to go ahead and click on save, and you can make it bigger and smaller on the right. Awesome. With Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors for you used throughout your websites. If you want to change it so it goes a little bit better with your branding, your message, your marketing, logo, go ahead and click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right-hand corner. No color coding necessary. Awesome. For each section you want to update, maybe make amendments to the images, the buttons, go ahead and click on update section directly underneath it. I'm now going to go ahead and head over to update image. Over here you can browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. For the content, go ahead and click on update content. Button currently says order online. You can link all these buttons to various places. Maybe you don't offer an online ordering system and you just wanted to say view our menu so people can have a look at your menu before they pop into your restaurant. You can link to another website for those buttons. Perhaps you do offer online ordering system. Otherwise, an action like click to call directions, or upload a PDF file, which is a great way to display your menu on your website. When your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to your menu. In this section, the next section over here, you can put in your trading hours for your business that your restaurant is open. Go ahead and pop them in over here, and they will be displayed on your website so your customers know your trading hours. For each section, again, if you want to make amendments, change the content that was pre-written for you, the images, just go ahead and click on update section and work your magic. If you've got a custom domain for your Australian restaurant, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. If you don't have a domain yet, click I want a new domain, because you can now purchase your domain via the Marty Sites platform just to make your website look even more professional. Hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.